I'm back in the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. We are in the kitchen and today we're going to show you how you can make yourself a simple, quick, fast recipe, Jamaican ginger beer drink. Guys, this way I made it is one of the best way, I'm telling you, and I know you guys will love the recipe. I get the request for the recipe and I definitely want to do it for the fans and because, you know what I mean, they asked for it and I have to do it. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments, and remember one thing, get a copy of the cooking book, and remember also 2020 we have the next version which is going to come out for the Caribbean Cuisine cooking book. So guys, thank you so much for your time and watching the video. It's amazing. One more time, requested Jamaican ginger beer. Guys, I love that. So as I said, the request is all about how to make Jamaican ginger beer. This is another way which you can make it very simple and clear, guys. I'm just going to show you how you can make yourself some lovely ginger beer at home. Very easy, simple and quick. Basically, I just grated 2 fat chunk of piece of a ginger, but I'm not going to make a lot of ginger beer. If you want to make a lot of ginger beer, you can add more ginger. Basically, the 2 pieces which I just grated about a size like this, 2 medium-sized pieces, I grated them. Most people back in the Caribbean and in Jamaica would normally beat it and crush it and boil it up into some water. But we're not going to go down that line. We're going to make it very easy, simple and clear. That's the guys can see exactly what I'm doing right here. So as I said before, we're not going to make a lot. It's just probably 2 glasses we're going to make. So I'm going to put my grated ginger beer straight inside of this container right here. As you can see, this is Cove. Cove is very strong, and that's 1 and that's 2. We're just gonna put only 2 pieces of Cove inside of the grated ginger beer, just like this, guys. I want you guys to very clear as what I'm doing right here. So as you can see exactly what I'm talking about, Cove and the ginger beer and the grated ginger is right there. Most people in the Caribbean use brown sugar, which is very healthy and good for you, but you don't have to use brown sugar because it's not a must. You have to use brown sugar. You can also use white sugar if you want a clear, nice, lovely look. But I'm gonna use some brown sugar, and I'm gonna put some brown sugar inside of it like this. Sweeten and taste as it goes along. Then what I'm basically gonna do, I have some boiling water which I use inside of my kettle. I'm gonna pour it on it like this. So the reason why I put the sugar inside of it is to get the sugar dissolved inside of the water. So if I simply say, let's taste it like this. Nice one. That's pretty good. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze a lemon inside of it. Nice one. I just taste it, and to me that take a little bit more sugar. So as I said, sweeten and taste as it goes along. Let's give it another taste. Tastes really nice, but you know, it's still gonna take some more sugar. Because remember, the brown sugar put 2 more spoons in it. But basically, what I normally do, I put 2 cloves inside of it, but I believe that I would put another clove inside of the water. And also basically grate another piece of a ginger, just like this. Nice and lovely. Give it another taste. That's perfect. That's really good, guys. I'm telling you, this is just another easier way where you can make your ginger beer at home. Then after you do that, what are the next thing where you can do? You don't need to do this. I'm just gonna put a shot of dark rum inside of it. If you are allergic to rum, dark rum or white rum, you don't need to put it inside of it. It's just bring more flavor to it, guys. Give it one more taste to see. Really good. I'm gonna cover it like this, and I'm gonna make it draw for roughly nice, good. Give a nice, lovely. Some people normally leave this for 24 hours for the next day, but you don't have to do that. Let's give this for a nice good 2 hours, and then you come back towards it, guys. So as you can see, this is just another way where you can make yourself a nice, lovely homemade ginger beer. Hopefully you will like it and enjoy it, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's just a request for the ginger beer, and I said to myself, I need to make it for them because they keep asking me for the ginger beer. So guys, as you can see, another way or you can make yourself some ginger beer. The same ginger beer, you can put it on the stove and boil it up for about a second, but you don't need to do that. You can just boil some water, enjoy it. Some people just use cold water and leave it for the next day, but you don't have to do those. Forget it, more easy and quick. That's the best way to make ginger beer at home. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thank you so much. We're gonna come back and we're gonna strain it off and put it into some ice and glass, in a glass. Thank you, bye bye. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, so far we still have wrap it. I have it for roughly about 4 hours now since I have it like this wrap. Sweat it, the ginger just, guys, let me take off the cover, make you guys see what's going on right there. Remember, if you want to do a big potion, all you need to do is just add more ingredients inside of it and sweeten and taste as it goes along. And remember, as I said before, I put the sugar inside of the warm water because just to make it get dissolved. That's the best way, I'm telling you. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simply show you exactly what I'm gonna do, right? I'm just gonna simply strain it like this. Nice one. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful. Let's get all of the juice out of this bit right here. Let's use a spoon and simply squeeze it down like this. Nice one. So as you can see, exactly what I'm talking about right here with the Jamaican ginger beer right here. It's just really beautiful and simple and nice, but guys, it is amazing. Seriously, So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply pour it back straight back on this. Give it another squeeze. Lovely and nice. So, as you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. This is a cove. You cannot put too much cove. Cove is very strong. You have to be careful of the cove, guys. But what you can do, you can simply put this in your fridge and you can see the color and the quality. Exactly what I'm talking about. Really nice and beautiful. So basically what I'm going to do right here, two things as I said before. You can either grate your ginger and you can either beat it, crush it, put it in the boiling water. The best thing, you can leave it overnight, even better. You know what I mean? And you can leave it to 1, 4 or 5 or 6 hours and get a nice lovely. So I'm gonna just put some ice straight inside of my glass like this. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Then pour some ginger beer. Beautiful. This is Jamaican ginger beer, guys. It's amazing. You know what I mean? I did it before and I get a request. I put even a pinch of dark rum inside of it. You don't need to put dark rum if you're allergic to rum. And remember, we put the cove also inside of it. But as you can see, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Look at the quality of the Jamaican ginger beer. Really nice, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. If I have it on my YouTube channel and you cannot find the video, please request it, because I have a lot more stuff which I'm supposed to make, which is gonna come up very soon. So guys, as you can see, Jamaican ginger beer requested one more time, and I did make it. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye.